Hey guys, today I'm gonna introduce you how to reset the setting date. It has two different ways to restore the factory date. The first way, you need to get into the factory setting in the car setting. Click car setting, factory setting, and input the password. Find the option, then the reset factory. Then click confirm. After a few seconds, it will restart automatically. The second way will be much easier than the first way. So you just need to click car setting, then click the system setting, find an option named the factory reset, click erase everything and input the password, which is 1234. After a few seconds, it will also restart automatically. And also please note that the time cost will be a little bit long for the restore steps. Thanks for watching, and we are Binize.